it's just going to help us evolve and get better at what we do if we can all get on the same page with it and figure out processes that work for us. I'm Michelle Gleason. My title is Development Director, and I am with the Community Foundation of North Central Wisconsin, so right in the middle of the state of Wisconsin. 2019 is when we switched from FIMS to Foundant, so I wasn't part of it at all. Foundant's all I've known. I touch SLM just a little bit on being part of some committees, but mostly C-suite for development and donor work. It's been fairly easy to use. I just got introduced to the glossary. That's really helpful. I like that feature, so just to help me understand what each thing does. I think we just keep growing. We have a fairly new staff. I am the newest, but a lot of us have been just year, 2 years, so we're kind of all learning together. We have some people that have been there a little bit longer, so it's nice to have that as well to rely on for some of that other knowledge, but we're growing as a team with it. I love my opportunities. I'm an organized type of person, so organizing my opportunities and tasks, that's been super fun. I'm really excited to learn more about pulling reports and lists and such, just to get organized with data and organized with my donors and lists in that way to make me more effective. Yeah, I think of opportunities as really my daily documentation. And even in a broader sense, how to organize my work and really tell the story of what I'm doing and keep me organized and projecting goals even. So opportunities is a great way to list out prospects, donors. You can categorize them in a different way, which is nice, whether you met with them once or 10 times. And it's really customizable, so you make it how you want it to go. My teammates often use that chat function a lot. I think we'd also like to get some specialized on-site support to kind of figure out a little more individualized support once because we've had so many new people, like I said. Foundant is necessary, is what I would say, because we rely on it so much for our work, and it's been very helpful.